Fortuna GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is getimes.co.za. Big news. Monapule Saleng has joined Mamelodi Sundowns. What does that mean for Mamelodi Sundowns? Sundowns are number 2 in the log table. Orlando Pirates are number 1 in the log table. Could Orlando Pirates have delayed this deal to give them the player at the end of the season? Is this a good idea from Pirates? Yes, maybe financially, but as you are competing with a team, is this not going to help them? What has been Mamelodi Sundowns' biggest problem so far this season? It's the final third. What about the final third has been the problem? Is that they lack a player who can unlock and score goals when they need them. Maybe in Saleng, they've got that player. My analyst next to me will let us know whether or not he thinks that is true. But Orlando Pirates fans will ask themselves the question, are we not strengthening the enemy by giving them this player? However, important to note, Pirates are where they are at number 1 this season without the contributions of Saleng because it's been at orbit. So they're not directly losing a player who got them to number 1 this season because it's been at orbit. So they still have their Apolises, their Moremis, their Mufugengs, all of their star players, including your Mahopas and your other strikers, as well as their attacking midfielders. So they're not losing players directly who've contributed this season, but they might be strengthening Mamelodi Sundowns. Interesting story. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the videos as well. Thank you for being here. Junior Kanye, big story, sir. What was it thinking? You were on radio when you heard the story. What did you say on radio? I didn't hear, but I think you were on radio.
Metro FM,
yeah, you were on radio when you heard the story.
Yeah.
Did it shock you? Did it shock you when you saw it? Surprise you? Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Justice.
Jessa?
Ngibulise uBenedict Sovilakazi.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise la khona umchita. Bobzin
Yes, sir.
team ethu. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Shocking story, sure. Biggest shocking story in football, South African football. Ingene 10-7 Metro FM bengino Andile and also Mark Heskin.
Oh yeah, Mark Hassan used to play for Bidvest
Cosmos,
yeah.
Silver Stars.
Attacking midfielder.
Yes. Yeah. So ingwenyama ingena sasichekile nje kancane marzange sibe deep. Shocking news.
Yeah, because no one expected it when we heard it.
Qala ngicela mina ukubonga Petrus Motsepe for investing in football. Petrus Motsepe, well done. I wish other directors, I'm talking about chairman, but they need to learn. Inyu yakhe ukuthi invest in football because let delay definitely show ibank biko breakeka noma bangayibasho direct. We talk about the high profile player here.
To spend money.
Well done, Petrus Motsepe, because Sundowns can say we want 1, 2, 3 for coaches, technical team, analysis, everyone. The signature, within a checkbook must come. It's Petrus Motsepe. Compliment akaqala namhlanje has been years doing it. Well done to him. And well done for Tutayenza bantu naba right. Secondly, now I can confirm Pitso Msimani will go to Sundowns. I think this signing, because one, why ngisho so, Mikel Cardoso is a current coach. He play with wing back. He's got type of players similar. Khuluma ngoThapelo Maseko. He's got this Mapena guy, a boy, one of the best talents.
Super talent.
He doesn't believe in wing forward. So he really relies with this guy, Matthews on the left-hand side. For tracking back and stuff, Agana King and Endaba Zuga checker for Matthews. He played Ngapudlala wing back, which is Ungena Pagat Sales. So I don't think it's Mikel Cardoso. Pitso is the one, maybe probably said, I want to take out the best out of him.
You're putting yourself out there. What if it doesn't happen?
I pay the pounds. I mean, you're
putting yourself out there.
Oh, I got a problem.
But you're putting two and two together, which is Lomdlale angeka sign Mikel Cardoso.
Akasayina ngoMikel Cardoso. Unama winger njoba ngisho Thapelo Maseko is more of a player on a speed njengaye. Technically, phela uSaleng una these things. One is technically very good. He's got speed, he's got a strong character. So Uthapelo technically similar like him, he's got speed as well. I'm not too sure about the character again. But udlaleli team whereby there's so many stars. Akadlangana njengadlale the way adlale ngakhona ku SuperSport United.
Yeah.
A different player.
Yeah.
You understand? But did very well for Bafana. Bombon with been given a chance kunentanga yenza.
We need that kid to play football.
Yeah, we
need that kid. Thapelo Maseko. We need him to play football.
That's why ngithi uMikel Cardoso.
If he has to be released, we need that kid to play football.
Another stuff here, this Thembinkosi Lochkai.
Yeah,
now Mikel Cardoso. Why didn't you use it? Because he can come on the left hand side. Orlando Pirates because number 10, first 9 is a 9, right and left. So Mikel Cardoso had those stuff and then Wamluna. So that's why this signing is not done by him. So mina Pukile Saling ngimshayeleni ezandla him to have a strong character akusi easy to be loan out at Orlando Pirates become a star player akusindaba zase-groundini off the field behavior you go there ku-orbit you redeem yourself psychologically
score goals for
ayenzekanga abantwini abaningi nedlozi elikhulu abonga bakasaling abalele umchita lento enjengale ayenzeki to be loan out at Orlando Pirates come back and then mawubuya i-Sundowns the biggest team whereby second team, one of the best team in the continent. Ikdonse after Pirates kube ngathi failure, not on the field. I'm talking about Pirates when they loan him. Like ukhumbule Pirates winning. People start forget about you if the team is winning. Irrespective to star wenzeni. People they don't dwell in history. They dealing in the present.
Sure.
So coming back and then winning contract. Kele mfana kunento azenzile before he could go. Kwenzekele into eyenzekile Orlando Pirates aphinda.
I think you mentioned a very good point in the sense yokuthi if the Pirates before we valid deal, they could have closed it.
Simple.
Because we knew ukuthi building up to ukuhamba kwakhe Orbit College.
Yes.
Things were not working out at Pirates.
Yes.
And he must thank his heavens and gods and ancestors because
Ezaka
Pirates
Munapu.
could have just stood in front of that deal and say, you're not going anywhere.
Yabona, that's why ngithi mina you can yabona mfethu idlozi nomuntu uNkulunkulu wakhe ba dangerous kakhulu similar like umbule ngihlale angamboni in person lomfana mele ababonge bakibo into zakhe zenzeke exactly similar like uSaling going to with the Sundowns obvious maybe they were not going to close the deal but ukuthi umchita yenze lento yenzekile ayebe kayenza ku Sundowns Cocoon and Pirates scrape imgrab kungukuthi nobody is expecting ilento yenze ngoSaling akekho bekayibhekile ukuthi uSaling will go there njoba ngisho iSundowns yambita those type of players yiyo ngithi mina Pitso unesandla to bring this guy ukuthi mina ngizodlala ngefront row ubonile adlala ngoPesitawu adlala ngoKick and Dolly he played honestly kama billiard umuntu odlala ngewing forward ibalance Pitso when umuntu otikitaka but ibalance defense midfield and banama department front three ungasupporta when it's necessary but most that's why he won Champions League and he won so many trophies and Betway Premiership team yakhe balance mfethu you understand so he wanted to mina ngiyasiphakamisa isandla I think unesandla kule signing
we learned something from Uloch joining Sundowns we learned besides Ukadoso under Coach Rulani we learned ukuthi we thought it was a big deal everyone we saw it as a big deal there was a big case in courts Loch and Loch was a star at Pirates and then 1-2 he goes to Sundowns and we thought okay maybe it might help Sundowns because it's a star of course then what we learned was there is a disconnection between yena njengomdlali and the style of play at Sundowns.
True.
Sundowns were deliberate to build yena makathola ibhola he was not looking for a teammate he was running at his own tempo whilst everyone else was maybe on a walking distance building. Usaling is a similar player in a sense that he's pacey and he's a shooter at goal. He's a scorer. He's not a dribbler, but he's very good at shooting at goal and scores goals. He decides matches that are not going anywhere, he can score. But there's this playing with teammates aspect that he might have to learn at Sundowns as well. Now let's look at that angle. Uguti, would he not maybe meet the same problem? Ulocha itole Uguti. It's a different type of play. Pirates near Sundowns.
True. The philosophy is totally different between Pirates and Sundowns. But they rely on attackers. In Kulmangi Pirates, they allow players to express themselves.
It's very pacey, very quick. It can be long sometimes.
They play that way. Now, Lodge was playing that way. You understand? So, Sundowns is a system team, whereby they need to defend as a team and attack as a team. Also, you must combine. You like it, whether we full back, middle was combine. Because full backs sometimes become extra midfielders. So, yes, true. And with that, he might become a wing back at Sundowns. Also, attack forward. No. Umrena, when he was signed at Celtics, was a wing.
Laila K was a winger.
Laila K. Also, Mdao at the Black Leopards, he was a wing. He was so. He might play as a wing once Pitso is coming. Bazumdlali says a winger like Umrena, versatile player, or wing back because Umchita Njobushilo is technical very good. He's got speed. Mamdlali according to his strengths can be so dangerous. When you play between these lama pockets, Angavailas Goreda. Technically is so good. He's got a strong character in Tengi because Nami I need to be honest, I'm doubter. You understand after being
the problem was the playmaking. So he's got his strengths in that he can change the game for you, he can shoot at goal. He's very pacey. The problem is lento uyidingayo ukuze ukwazi ukudlala Sundowns
Yeah.
akanayo,
Yeah.
which is to play with teammates, always look for the available option.
Yeah, true. But coaches they improved that. Yabo, especially about people. I'm small sided. V 6v6, 5v6, 2v3, 2v2. They improve a lot. Provided now is improve. There are players maungathi masikhuluma if you can go backwards. Even now, Rangers going there, mina nam. Being this thing with you will never go now. Because that point you need to come and receive. You need to, if you touch maybe Gamnandi, runs off the ball. We are improver by training. You understand? It's not the type of njoba ngisho umchito waleki development yakhe. Mina ngihlale ngi-emphasize and even yesterday radio mentioned this. You understand? And I saw na ku-maximal training laba khuluma ngayo ukuthi even our national team coach is talking about Europe, ukuthi our players are supposed to go to Europe. True, before Europe. Kuna lento about assessment and also develop players. Leonto we don't have to take players in Europe. True. You understand? So mchita mangithi kuwe compliment to him azange abe ne-proper development but gradually uyambona umchitho improve. You understand? And true ukudlala usale ngilabantu ukukhombana iPirates mawungayibheka especially le Jose Rivero.
Yeah.
Beka abantu abadlala we go with speed.
They're very pacey.
Yeah, we understand. Yes, it's only this guy whereby we are back surprise
some build-up.
banabombule build up and stuff nomtejela bakhona. But usale going to Santos challenge yakhe kuzoba leyo. You need to be a system player. Yes, he might phela ngakhohlwa huizi naye Sundowns izoyinida lento abayibonile kuPirates ukuthi kumele usinike yona uzoza zocombine. Once he failed that is not going to play. Honestly, I can tell you
I think we
that.
saw that with Uloch.
I've seen true.
We saw it with Uloch. That
Yeah.
when he couldn't play a game at Sundowns,
Yeah.
it's unfortunate that he couldn't play anymore.
Yeah, because inento njoba ngisho kwenkulu i-development properly you lento le man we are emphasize how you develop players whereby kunala uthola ukuthi training session yakho you don't score, you just keep the position simple ukuthi umchita lento emphasize and then you score goals iyangena engqondweni. So now usale ngi-challenge ngaba kuye ku-Sundowns. Right, you are so right because ulochi naye ube nayo this thing ukuthi we had our expectation under Rulanda to sign him.
Yeah, it was under Rulan.
Yeah, true. Sometimes he play him as an impact player, sometimes not even playing him. Sometimes I understand. True. Yeah. We understand. So because of some is struggling now. We were struggling ntwana whereby umuntu individual. You play according to his strength, uzophakamisela isandla. But Sundowns njengoba ngisho is a system team. Is a system team. But banongena phakathi ama wing forward. The question ukuthi uzokwazi ukucombine na. That's why ngithi ikayithunga ngifuna ukuyibona. Yona it's a good signing for Mchita. Sundowns true one of the umchita uzenzele mfethu. He has achieved big things him alone, that guy. Especially after his second chance going to Swallows. La nobody thought he came at Pirates. I bengaboni signing did very well for himself. But now at Sundowns, it's a good signing. Ikayithunga. Also in a negativity. Sundowns the way idlala ngakhona. Angazi ukuthi ngibeka.
And bashota ngaye actually. Not yena particularly, but they need a player. Kulento yabo build up because
Yeah.
it's too deliberate. It's like Man City actually. It's too deliberate. It's
Yeah.
too slow.
Yeah.
The players can get behind. The opposition can get behind
Yeah.
it. And you can see Man City whenever they're playing, the opposition just gets 10 men behind the ball. It's too slow. Maybe what they need is someone like him. Mara, they're gonna have to find a game plan. Now, bamtshela ukuthi ibhola you might not touch it for 30 minutes, but what we need to do ukuthi sidlalela ukuthi siku-unlock wena ufinish.
That's why it is speed so probably. Mina ngisazwe under Caruso, I don't see him playing the way his strengths are kumele adlale ngakhona. You might find ukuthi frustrated because he doesn't play with wing forward. He's got those type of players njoba ngibenchine. Pitso ngimbonile ngabo pace. You understand? Ngimbonile ngabo kick and tolling, ngimbonile ngabo Khama Billiard. I've seen him. He took out the best out of those players. They build up his Sundowns, they will train you, and then last day they go with speed. So, Upitso under him, I will see him functioning. Ngimbonazo functioning.
If it's his signing.
If it's his signing.
If it's his
I will
signing.
say it. I will say it.
Miguel Cardoso signing, it will remain to be seen ukuthi izongena kanjani. Let's go to Pirates. Number 1 versus number 2. Unika number 2 amandla wokuthi alwe nawe number 1. What do you think about that?
I mean, I'm not too sure. I think money talks. Imali idlile indima enkulu kakhulu. Yabo, Pirates maybe they couldn't stop this. Yabo kunamanye ama-agent. I know with Pirates is one of the biggest. Make no mistake. You can't fight Pirates.
Orlando Pirates can do.
No. You can't fight them. True.
You can't force them to sell a player.
Yeah, true. But
I think maybe, like as you say, it may have been the money.
Yeah.
But think about it. Mawuni Betway Premiership maybe told 20 million.
yeah.
When you are number 2, I don't know whether it's 15 or 10. So how much did they get from that player? Because they're number 1.
You know, Tebza him alone 20 million.
Yeah, but so can you imagine ukuthi, what I'm saying is, if it was about the money, unikeza Sundowns amandla ukuthi babe number 1 wena ungayitholi 20 million uthole 10 for uba runner up if it's 10 million.
Yeah.
But so still the money can still make sense in this sense yokuthi you could have just hang on and win the league. You will still get 20 million for winning the league.
Kunento enzakele behind the scene that is so deep between Lodge and Pirates. Ngoba Pirates will never allow that such player.
Saleng. Between Saleng and Pirates.
Saleng and Pirates, I'm talking that way. Kunento deep ngendlela ukuthi ifana ne-marriage mangabe umfazi uyambona ukuthi now umthola right-handed ne-out kanje. There's no way that you can talk about that.
Yeah.
Nihlale phansi ayilungise.
It's nothing to discuss now.
You understand? Like right-handed, they're naked. Both on the into njengalo. uNkulunkulu angixolele, but I have to say it. So kunento deep mina engisuspectayo ukuthi happen between Pirates and Saleng. Because there's no way awudlali ku-Pirates awudlali. They bring players, they're signing players in your position. You did very well for the team. Bring trophies for your team. Individually, you done so well for yourself. You earn even in Makola national team you play, and then bring those players, they're no longer playing you. Sometimes you find understand. It's not all about the talent, you are in about performance and stuff. And then Pirates bring you sign 2 years. They commit and loan you. Personal. I will say it, give me. That's
he's still I agree with you.
Coming back.
It must have been behind the scene.
So coming back,
but
they made peace.
I get it. I get that we might never. The point you're making is that
Yes.
Because they disagree with each other.
Yeah.
But you can still sell him at the end of the season. Rather than, because this is a question Yabalanded by Pirates that they're going to ask themselves. Rather than to strengthen opposition man, number 1. Because Pirates has not won the league in 13 years.
Yes,
since
true.
2012.
Yeah, true.
So you are strengthening number 2. So you could have done that in June. You can accept the money now and say uzomthola June.
Yeah, if they could have done that, true. But the thing is, Yasman win, man. You know when you win,
Yeah, no.
When you win, when you win.
Lack of experience. Because if you are experienced, you will know what it doesn't matter what it win.
Yes.
Even
our Champions League.
With an experienced coach, who was saying with Upito, he was never going to allow that. If Upito was coach,
yes.
Pirates, even if I'm selling, he was going to say, no, but you want them to win the league.
Exactly.
Yeah, but so an experienced coach, an experienced management would have said, no, you get him at the end of the season.
No, the truth is, Yabona man win. You forgot everything.
Yeah.
It's Cotley, it's fine. We've got our players that Paris, make no mistake, they're doing so well. Make no mistake.
Of course.
They've got players younger. They've got that. But as usual, we talk about the experienced player now. A player that can help you international. We talk now the African continent, the Champions League, and also pay to a premiership. Because Pirates be the situation that's the number 1. So you need that player. You bring him back. He learn his lesson. You play him. It's going to help you. Who's proving I can take my life proof. So I think njoba ngisho kuwe winning at Orlando Pirates baba na this thing with you don't care. You must leave. You must go. Cause usho right. But yazi enye into futhi ngala ma contract we loan. Ungalonwa for 2 years. Ungasign 2 years manje. 2 years with an option to renew another 2 years. The option I favor. It's more for 4 years. You go to the team. Mhlambe makusele 3 months but nayi later sakunida. So you can't negotiate with anyone. And about 2 years,
it's still owned by Pirates.
Simple. So a Pirate could say, are we anyway? And then they bring him now Obit or Obit simple, you can't give Sundowns. So Badala Manyamakat in fit. It's like Badala Makat Babambegan.
Yeah.
It's a high profile player.
Yeah, I think you make a brilliant point when you say it's because Pirates are winning. And of course, no one is jealous about that. I love it that it's Pirates and Sundowns fighting.
And they're doing so well, make no mistake, one of the best attacking team in the country.
Absolutely. But still, there's a game you must play, man.
Experience, you need experience.
That is not about you winning. Like we're saying, even Aboprache, he would have known, I'm giving you strength.
That guy would lay on the Sundowns. Ngai Pirates Basha 3.
Yeah.
A cup if not M10, he scored 2 goals. Crucial game. Nobody thought Pirates will win that game.
I think it was semi-final or something.
A semi-final, not a first game we cup. A semi-final against Sundowns that they went top.
Yeah.
I think Rulani was still there as well.
Yeah.
So you release that player. No, it's winning, but you are only winning the Pirates in this thing.
Because you can win on this side, but the ends show with the opponent, I win. Like you don't strengthen them.
Let's go number 1. Luzumbo was one of the crucial players.
Oh yeah, actually him as well.
Yeah. You're losing Bogazi. This guy, Saleng as well, you want him to lose.
Yeah.
Against abantu abama content abantu in fight up. Enguleke dangerous.
It's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. If you win a league under those circumstances, you're losing your best defender. And then you take one of your attackers to give to your opponent, your direct
can't be
opponent.
doing that.
If you win the league under those circumstances, it would be mind-blowing.
Yeah, honestly, because they're competing against very strong players, individual, seasoned players. I'm talking about Sundown seasoned players, experience. Without no matter coach Aiko or Recon, obviously as a player you can't play without a coach. You need a guidance outside. You must play under instruction. But those players at Sundowns, they are seasoned players.
Yeah.
They experience enough from it. So add another experience. Mina ngisasho nama izoyini Sundowns la league.
Yes, it's going to be difficult for We'll see. Let's wrap it up. We talked about the potential ukuthi angasakseed Swaleng. If you're sitting there at Sundowns, you think to yourself on a big fish. But you as an analyst from outside looking in, you think, unlike Ulodge, is a spanner signing.
Njoba ngisho Pizzo once can go there, which is mean I believe Pizzo will go.
Okay.
Pizzo will go mfethu. Bazomspanisa according to his strengths up front. Experienced player. Pizzo mix a youth and experience. And Sundowns, they will surprise opponent because now under this coach, ngithi mina now lawo ma player mfethu. Maseko ngeruma ngizwa ngathi you want to get rid of him. Ngeruma bangabi
Maseko, we need that player to play.
But they release Lodge. That's why under this coach, it's possible because Lodge was gone. A player opetele sindo lesi similar usalenga naso.
Yeah.
And then you release him now, he's doing well for with that one of the best players in Morocco currently. And Club World Cup did so well.
Yeah.
Why didn't they bring him back? It's a question for Sundown. So under this coach, you don't mean it's not his signing. Under Pizzo will do well. Amarbazom coaches ngisho uyenza ngenkani. He's gonna play wing back. Also wing forward. He's going to do well under Pizzo because I got a choice. Pizzo, we will try by all means to improve that guy. Pizzo mfethu they hardworking. Also sal after training. Gonna make extras that he will do. Because the team got Pizzo they build up. But surprise, they train you first before they can punish you.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Monapule Saleng joining Mamelodi Sundowns. Look, we are only speculating here about what could and could not happen. We've seen what happened with Lodge and Sundowns. We thought that was a big deal. All Pirates fans commented about that. Sundowns fans, Chiefs fans. It was a big story at the time. But, of course, Tina, we are the masters of football matches. We watch hundreds of football matches in the last 6 years. It's a lot of matches. And we see it within the first few matches. Oh, no, this thing is not working. There was a disconnection. He's very quick. He's too quick and individual for the game that Sundowns were trying to play. So maybe with Lodge, something like that could happen as well. With Saleng, something like that could happen. Or just like Junior was saying, like Ikram Reyners, that they could find a way to use him and get used to that system. Those two things can happen. It could go wrong, or it could be strengthening Sundowns, and Sundowns could win the league with him. We'll find out, of course, when the football matches are playing and they are back. On the 20th, 10 days from now, the football matches will be back. It is It Times, was suspecting.
All about Fetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.